Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island in Santa to take you through a brand new model from Scout Boats. It's the 260 LXF. Brand new boat from the keel up. Beautiful profile. This one is the Scout White hull color. Big, beautiful bow flare, custom Carolina bow flare. Great running surface on this boat. Full walk-through transom like we typically see on the Scouts 24 feet and up. This boat is powered with twin V6 Mercury 200 four-strokes in the matching Scout White. Got a telescoping reboarding ladder on the starboard side. And now we'll take you inside the boat. So here in the cockpit on the 260 LXF from Scout Boats, got a great fishing cockpit, live well on the port side with a clear acrylic lid. Of course, we've got bolsters all throughout the cockpit for added cushion if you're fighting a fish. Rod holders and cup holders along the back. Cockpit door, as you commonly see. The stern seat folds out. Very comfortable seat within arm's reach of the grab rail for safety. It stows away very nicely and also gives access to the bilge area. All finished out bilge. Everything is super easy to get to, easy to keep clean. Also makes for a great secondary storage area. Got fish boxes in the floor on both sides. Brand new custom done leaning post from Scout Boats. You've got the Corian countertop, freshwater sink, cutting board, cup holders, rod holders, tools or a place to store tools such as pliers and other fishing items. You've got a slide out trash can, tackle storage here, more storage drawers, and then designated space for a Yeti cooler. There's a magnet built into the lid. Pretty cool feature there from Scout. Panning up to the hardtop, we've got the rocket launchers on the hardtop here. On the port side, this boat features a dock door, similar to what you see on the 277. And we've also got the optional drop-in swim ladder on the port side, which is stowed beneath the chase lounge up front. Nice oversized hardware on this dock door. Functions well and looks great also. Very tall leaning post with armrests that adjust up and down along with bolsters. So this is a great, very comfortable position if you're standing or if you're seated. You got nice height, good visibility. It's a very comfortable and sporty boat to drive. You got digital throttle and shift with those Mercury 200s. Got a touch screen from Garmin. Fusion Bluetooth stereo here. We have two charging receptacles here that catch and hold your phone and have an induction charging system. VHF radio, cup holders along the bottom, a couple of recessed areas for storage. Great place for wallets, phones, keys. The upholstery is a new upholstery option from Scout. This is the Azure color, so you've got a blue insert with a gray exterior. Looks great on this boat. Also got the upgraded JL sound system on board, including a sub and an amp. Coming around to the port side, very spacious head on this boat. Porcelain toilet, nice synthetic flooring, lots of headroom also with that recessed floor. There's a porthole window on the starboard side, so you've got some lighting there and an overhead light as well. We've got the bow sunshade option equipped on this boat that stows nicely inside the head. You'll also notice that this hardtop, or this console rather, is built into the console itself. So the frame doesn't go down to the floor. It's a very clean, sporty look. Coming up to the bow, everybody loves the chase lounge on the Scouts. It's got a very nice, comfortable contoured seat and backrest with fold-down armrests on both sides. Great seat for a couple of adults or a parent and a child. You've got storage beneath as well. There's that port side swim ladder I mentioned earlier. Has designated storage space inside underneath the chase lounge. Currently have the bow cushions stowed away. Headrests slide out very easily, so you can see how this boat converts if you want to fish the bow area and get the cushions out of the way. Notice the diamond stitching along the bolsters, in addition to the backrests of both the headrests and the chase lounge as well. All polished and finished lids and storage boxes up front that drain, so they make for nice coolers. Bow rod cup holders on this boat to hold that sunshade. JL speakers up front. And we've got a remote control windlass anchor that you can operate both at the foredeck and back at the helm. That is a walkthrough of Scout's new 260 LXF. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call, 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.